Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to go over our plays for the week, just kind of give you an update. We typically do this on Wednesday, a little bit behind obviously, but I wanted to show you the breakdown, the technicals of each play that we talked about for the week, and then also I'm going to tell you a couple of stocks that I bought more of yesterday as well. So just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. So if you remember that our plays for the week, one of them were Tesla or FNGU, either or. And if you would have got in right here on Tesla, it bounced off of that 762 support, got here as high as about 800. We talked about that we could test the 800 level, and we did. We got all the way to about 805. We do have a red Doge candle here, so if you're doing a swing play, right here might not be a bad time to exit to take profits if you got in around these levels here, because we could see some cooling off. Could we go higher? Yeah, sure, but technically speaking, it's showing that we could start cooling off and having, even if this is just a little smaller dip, but it could be coming back down just temporarily. So your current level of support still 762, 815 is still your major resistance level. So this here, actually, we need to redraw the fib level on FNGU and take a look at it here. So 2293 is our bottom, and then 4649 will be our top. As you see here, kind of the same scenario, about the same day. Whenever Tesla started running, this thing shot up from about 31 all the way to about 36 bucks, and now we're sort of cooling off. We're finding support at about 34.71. MACD shows that we are cooling off temporarily. Could we go a little bit higher? Yeah, but I think that we might get rejected at that $37 level and then pull back. So if you entered here, this would be a good time to exit and take profits, and you may see that with just about every play that we talk about here in a minute as far as swing trading goes. GNOG, we did get a buy signal here, got as high as about 1850, and then not much happening past that point. We do have to get above and hold 1820 to confirm that we've busted through that level of resistance here. Our support's still at 1665, so we could actually see a little bit more downside and then kind of consolidate around these levels before popping up. Overall, I'd like to see us at least pop up and start consolidating around that $20 level before takeoff. But for this one here, this is more of a longer term play, and again, this one's following DraftKings, so it doesn't really it's really kind of based off of what DraftKings is doing. And you see here that DraftKings is kind of consolidating around these levels. It got beat down after that big run, but it did get a buy signal, so we have to wait and see if it's going to move up past that $53 mark, or we're going to go back and retest the support of 47 bucks. Next up, guys, CEI. Okay, we talked about this one getting beat down like it stole something, but now, this week we said it may have a good recovery, and of course we did here. So it went down all the way to about 86 cents, and then this week we got a high of about 230, 232. So you could have made a very, very good chunk of change on this stock if you would have timed it right. Your current support's 206, resistance of 259. Overall, this one obviously a huge run. You see here, this chart's kind of funny the way it looks, because man, it just went straight up and then straight back down. But this is actually a pretty decent company if you do some due diligence on it. So longer term, it may not be a bad option for you, but I'm just showing you for weekly plays here. Now would be the time to get out and take some profits off the table. Next up, we'll look at IDEX, and we'll take a look at this. And this, man, this bad boy here, I wish it would come back alive and get above that $2 mark. I said it was kind of one to watch, and you can look to maybe average down here, but currently we actually found a new bottom, so we'd have to redraw the fib level on this as well. So your support would be about 183, resistance probably at about 260. Overall major resistance, you got to get above about 217, 220 in order to confirm that we are in a overall bullish pattern, back move to the upside. This company releases a lot of PR on TD Ameritrade, but most of it's just like, hey, so and so speaking at this conference and stuff like that. So I think until they talk about some type of revenue numbers and things of that nature, it'll probably just kind of stay going sideways here and there. So I have to just kind of keep an eye on that. So, and then last guys was IQST. I did buy more of IQST yesterday and averaged down on it. So you saw we had a big buy signal here, a big green candle, and got all the way up to about 55 cents, and we just came right back down. So this one right here, again, guys, is a longer term play, and I said anything under 50 cents or at 50 cents is a strike zone for me. So as long as it just kind of stays around these levels, I'm just accumulating and accumulating and accumulating, and then eventually once we get up to that NASDAQ and they announce those revenue numbers the next quarter and then the fourth quarter, then I think that's going to start sending it higher up in an uptrend. Again, this stock here is poised for, in my opinion, a breakout because the company is on track to hit or exceed that $60.5 million revenue number, okay, for the year of 2021. So anyway, guys, just wanted to give you an update on the plays for the week. Let me know what your comments are below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.